on. Right, for the foreseeable future, we're going to fly past these segments. I might bundle them into one, actually. Vocabulary of the week. Small. Big. We're doing adjectives of size. Alright. The smallest adjective, commonly used adjective, is microscopic. Microscopic. And then is minuscule. And then goes tiny, puny. This one means something more like weak, actually, but it can also mean literal size, little, small. I definitely drew this too long. Medium, average, normal, sizable. That's quite a big jump from normal to sizable, and it's big, large, it's not that big of a jump, great, massive, enormous, immense, colossal, gigantic. These can go either way, really. Titanic and vast. And vast is very, very close to big. There are also some other words that are related to size, maybe more so related to density than size, right? Words such as compact, dense, snug, bulky, cozy, and jumbo. Right? A lot of these are derived from nouns, right? Like, for example, microscopic is obviously of a microscope. Sizable is, like, it has a decent size. Enormous, massive, it is very big mass. It is a very big mass, or it has a very big mass. Colossal, size of a colossus. Gigantic, the size of a giant. Titanic, the size of a titan. And these words. Compact means it's very, if the space is very efficiently used. Right? Like, how do I describe this? It's similar to dense, right? There's a lot of stuff in a very small space. Snug is like cozy, in that it's like comfortable, right? It has a good connotation, and it basically means like it's very tight, it's very like comfortably tight, right? Bulky is unpleasant, right? It is anything that is not that heavy, but it is unwieldily big. For example, this whiteboard is very bulky. If I were to try to move it. It's not that heavy. But just the fact that it is 2 meters long and like 1 meter, 1.5 meters high, or is it the other way? 1.5 meters long and 2 meters high makes it extremely difficult to carry and move. Right? That's what bulky means. And jumbo is like a size. Right? Like how you have small, medium, large fries at McDonald's. Jumbo used to be a size until that one documentary came out about the effects of drinking jumbo drinks, and they discontinued it. But it is like bigger than large, right? It's like the biggest tier. I think it's named after Jumbo the elephant, or maybe the elephant's named after it. I'm not sure. But something like that. Yeah? Alright, time for spelling of the week.